Hello student. Today we will discuss about design of a JDBC and JDBC driver. The JDBC consists of two layers. The top layer is the JDBC API. This API communicates with the JDBC manager driver APIs, sending it the various SQL statements. The manager should be transparent to the perform communicate with the various third-party driver that actually connected to the database and return the information from the query or perform the action specified by the query. A type first driver translates JDBC to ODBC and release on the ODBC driver to the communicate with the database. Some include one such driver, the JDBC ODBC bridge with the JDK. However, the bridge required development and proper configurations of the ODBC driver. When JDBC was first released to the bridge was handling for testing, but it was a near intent for production's use. At this point of a better driver are available and we advise against using the JDBC ODBC bridge. A type 2 driver is written partly in a Java and partly in a native code. It communicates with the client API of a database. When you use to such a driver, you must be installed some platform specific code in the addition to the Java library. A third driver is a pure Java client library that use a database independently protocol to communicate database required request to a server component, which then translate the request into the database specific protocol. This can be specified development since the database depend code is located only the server. Type 4 driver is a pure Java library that translates JDBC requests directly to the database specific protocol. Most database vendors supply either a type 3 or 4 driver with their database. A number of third-party companies specify in the producting driver which the better standard config support to the more platform, better performance, or in some case specify better reliability than the driver that are provided by the database vendor. Next one is a JDBC driver. There are four types of a driver. First one is a JDBC ODBC bridge driver. Next one is a native API driver. Third one is a network protocol driver. And last one is the fully driver. So, first is a JDBC ODBC bridge driver. In a type of a first driver, a JDBC bridge is used to access the ODBC driver installed on each client machine. The JDBC ODBC bridge driver used to ODBC driver to connect it to the database. The JDBC ODBC bridge driver convert JDBC method call into the ODBC functions call. Advantages of a JDBC ODBC bridge driver. First is easy to use. Next one can be easily connected to the any database. Next one, disadvantages. Performance regard because JDBC method can be converted into ODBC function call. Next, the ODBC driver need to install on the client machine. Next driver is a native API. In the type second driver, JDBC API calls are converted into native C or C++ API calls which are unique to be database. The native API driver used to client side library of the database. The driver convert JDBC method call into native calls of the database API. It is not written entirely in a Java. Advantages of this: performance upgraded than JDBC ODBC bridge driver. Disadvantages is the native driver need to be installed on the each client machine. And next one is the vendor client library need to be installed on a client machine. Third driver is a JDBC NetPure Java. In the type 3, a three-tier approach used to access database. The JDBC client use standard network socket to be communicate with the midwire application server. It is used to access database. The JDBC client use standard network socket to be communicate with the midwire application server. The socket information is then translate by the midwire application server to be called format required by the data DBMS and forwarded to the database server. As a result, you need to some knowledge of the application server configurations in order to effectively use these driver types. Your application server might used to type 1, 2 or 4 driver to communicate with the database. Understanding to the proof helpfully. First, advantages. No client-side library is required because of application server that can be perform many tasks like auditing, load balance and logging. Next one is disadvantages. Network support is required on client machine. Second one is a required database specified coding to be done in the middle tier. Okay. Next one is a 4 type pure Java. In the type of 4 driver, a pure Java based driver communicate directly use the vendor database through the socket communication. This is the highest performance driver available from the database and is usually provided by the vendor itself. This client of a driver is extremely flexible. You don't need to install special software on the client or server. This driver can be downloaded dynamically. This is the thin driver. Okay, this pure Java based driver that communicate directly to the vendor because the properties natures of a network protocol and database vendor using by supply type of a 4 driver.